I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video is something so exciting and something we've all been waiting for. I am going to be sharing with you my post-lockdown haul. That's right. Your girl went shopping and she did a little bit of damage, and when I say a little bit I mean somewhat a lot damage, and I just bought everything I wanted because I haven't really bought much in the past year, really. I mean, I've bought a few pairs of Dr. Martens, a few. I've bought a tiny bit of makeup, a little bit of clothes, but not anything really major. So I went shopping the other day and me and Ryan went to Bristol. We went to Cribbs Causeway and Cabot Circus. We hit them both and he had a great time, I'm sure, but I had a wonderful day. I bought everything I could ever want and I'm going to share with you what I've got. So grab yourselves a coffee or a tea, hot chocolate, beverage of some sort, maybe a snack, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So firstly I'm going to start off with TK Maxx. Now I didn't actually go to TK Maxx in Bristol. Me and my mum went to TK Maxx in our local town and I picked up a couple things. The first thing I picked up were these amazing makeup brushes. Now I don't need any more makeup brushes. If you could see my makeup brushes you would understand your girl needs no more. But these are Skinny Dip Barbie brushes and I saw them and I was like, I'm just gonna get them because they're adorable. They're pink for starters and they're soft, and I know that Skinny Dip is a wonderful brand, so I picked them up. And you get 4 brushes. You get the Call Me Buff brush, the Blend the Rules brush, so cute, Fleek Bones, and Flat Out Fabulous. So amazing, and I haven't used them yet because they are so cute. I can't bear to get them dirty, but now I've put them in this video I can definitely use them. So nice, and these were only £9.99. Absolute bargain. So I picked them up and I'm obsessed. So I grabbed those. First thing I bought, obsessed with those. And the second thing I picked up in TK Maxx was a pair of trainers. Now I don't need any more shoes. Your girl has far too many pairs of shoes. It's disgusting. It's actually borderline an issue at this point. But I saw these and I thought, well actually I did just throw away a few pairs of shoes, so I had to pick these ones up. I'm a size 3, so there weren't too many options of shoes, but I saw these and I had to pick them up. They kind of look very similar to the Fila trainers which everybody had a few years ago, myself included. However, mine I wore so much that they were gross. Like the plastic in the back was coming through, they were uncomfortable, they were filthy. Like I used to wear those on nights out. They were gross. But I saw these and these were only £19.99, down from £60. Mental. But look how cute these are. I love them. I love the colours, pink and red. I think they're so cute. I love Levi's anyway. But I just really liked these, so I grabbed them for £20. Obviously got the pair. Don't want to just get one shoe, but yeah, £20. Absolute bargain. Love them so much. Amazing. The next place we went to was Bershka. Now, I'm a big Bershka fan. I absolutely love Bershka. It's very hit or miss sometimes though. I feel like sometimes you can go in there and see so much that you want to buy, and then other days you go in there and there's absolutely nothing. But this day it was kind of like, a few things. Like I definitely could have bought more, but this was the last shop that we went to for the whole day and we were both exhausted, so I was like, right, I just need to get in and out because I just cannot be bothered anymore. So I picked up 2 things. The first thing I picked up was literally as soon as I got in the door because I saw it and was like, oh, that's cute. I envisioned it with an outfit and it was just really cute, and it is this Chelsea New York, I believe, t-shirt. Don't know whether you can see it or not. But it's a Chelsea New York t-shirt. It's absolutely massive. I got mine in a size small, so this is a size small, and it's really oversized, but I absolutely love oversized clothes. I'm wearing an oversized t-shirt right now, so I'm a big oversized clothes fan, and I just thought this was absolutely adorable, even as like a t-shirt dress with some cycling shorts kind of vibe, and it was only £11.99. Bargain. I do believe that Bershka is owned by the same people that own Zara and Pull&Bear. Could be wrong. We also did go into Pull&Bear actually, and there were a few things that I liked, but I didn't buy them, and I don't really know why I didn't now, but got a cute top. Love that. And then I also got another top which was very cute, and very, I want to say different, but it's not really different from what I own. It's kind of what I own already. It's a cropped t-shirt, which is in a size medium, definitely probably a bit big, but we're going to go with it. And it's a beautiful kind of blue colour. It says 1998 on it, which is not the year I was born, but I thought it was really cute, and I just thought this would look really nice with some jeans or something. I don't know, I just envisioned it and I liked the colour. I thought it was something different, and it was only £10, so I picked that up and I really like that. So that's what I got from Bershka. Nothing too exciting, but a few nice basic summer t-shirts. Lovely. The next place is somewhere which I used to shop a lot, especially with my friend Zoe, because we used to work really close to one, and that is New Look. We used to go there on every lunch break and buy multiple things, and that is why I couldn't ever save any money, because I used to spend it all on clothes. However, I hadn't been to New Look in a very long time, and I picked up 2 items. So the first one, I'm not sure whether I picked it up because it was like the first thing that I bought that day, or whether I picked it up because I do really like it. It's one of those hard things, but I think I'm going to wear it with like a cute t-shirt underneath, and I think that's the vibe I'm going for. But it's this really cute denim dress. Now, I have a very short torso area, which means when I have to buy stuff with no adjustable straps, I usually have to size down. So I'm not sure whether this is actually going to fit. I think it will fit. We're going to have to try it on and see, because a lot of my weight gain goes on my thighs and my bum area, so I think this will be fine. But this is a really cute denim dress. It's very creased, so please do ignore that, but it's kind of like a, I don't really know what this vibe is. Can you guys see what it is? Probably not. It's like a denim dress with like an extra little bit at the bottom. It's really cute, and I just thought this with like a white t-shirt underneath would be adorable in the summertime, and it was $22.99, and I had a voucher, so I ended up paying like £11 for both of these things. So yeah, I got this dress, and I thought it would just be really nice in the summer, even with some like Doc Martens and some like higher socks with a belt and like a denim jacket. Very cute vibe and a bit of me, so love that. Very excited to wear it. I've just gone through my New Look bag, and I've realised that I've actually bought 3 things, not 2. So the second thing I bought was just a pair of socks. Totally forgot about these. These are just 3 pairs of little ankle socks with the stripes. I just envisioned this with something I'm going to show you in a second, or even with like dresses with little Doc Martens. I just thought it would be so cute, and these were only £6, so got some socks. Very boring, but yeah, now my hamster's out having a little drink, so that's good. The second item that I got from New Look, obviously disregarding the socks because they're not really a clothing item anyway, was actually this little like tennis style pleated tartan skirt. Now, I'm not a skirt kind of gal. I absolutely despise my legs like so much, so I don't really know why I bought this, because I know I'll probably end up trying it on and absolutely hating it, but it is pleated, so hopefully it will hide the fact that I've got an absolutely ginormous bum, so we're hoping it'll fit. But I thought I would wear this with some Doc Martens, and then with the socks, and maybe like a cropped jumper. I don't know, I just envisioned it looking really cute and kind of edgy at the same time. So that is what I got, and I got it in a size 10, and it was £17.99. Absolute bargain. They had other colours as well, and I really want to go shopping and buy all the colours, so yeah, somewhat tempted, but just adorable. Love it. So cute. So the next item I picked up was a pair of shoes, and if you guys know me or you've watched my videos for a substantial amount of time, you will know that I am probably beyond obsessed with Doc Martens at this point, that I bought another pair because I have no self-control, and they were £149, which is a lot of money, I'm very well aware. However, I've had these on my wish list for so long, and with the celebration of lockdown being lifted a little bit in the UK, I thought, do you know what, sod it, I'm gonna buy them, I'm doing it. So I did, and I got the 1461 quads in black. Now these are just, they're beautiful. I love them so much. If you guys watched my £600 Doc Marten haul video, you will know that I picked these up in white because I thought the white were just so cool and different. But ever since that video, I have been gushing over the black ones, and I've had them in my basket for months. and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do it. I went in there and I said to Ryan, right, if they've got them in my size, then it's meant to be. So I said to the lady, oh, can I have these in a size 3? And she was like, oh, not sure if we have those, but I'll check. And I was like, oh no, like she's gonna come back and like break my heart. But she came back down and she said, oh yeah, we didn't have them in a size 4, but we've got them in a size 3. I was like, I needed them in a size 3. And she was like, oh, okay, yeah, we have them. And I was like, thank God. So I bought them. I felt like it was just a sign, and somebody from above saying, do you know what, Melody, buy these shoes. So I did. That's the excuse I'm giving myself. I obviously didn't need these, but these are just beautiful, and oh, I'm just obsessed. I'm obsessed. So yeah, wonderful Doc Martens. I might even do an unboxing video of these, like a proper unboxing, and give you guys my thoughts and stuff, but stunning shoes, obsessed with those. So that is everything for my post-lockdown haul video. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and also let me know down below what you've treated yourself to this past month, because I would absolutely love to know. And if you've not treated yourself yet, make sure you do. You deserve it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!